Google's original Pixel and Pixel XL smartphones, the beginning of the company's broader effort to unify and streamline its internal hardware efforts, have been removed from the Play Store. Google confirmed that the devices are no longer available for purchase directly in the company. However, you can buy the original Pixel and Pixel XL devices in a variety of colors and storage sizes from places like Amazon and Best Buy. It makes sense that Google will eventually remove the original Pixel phones, since Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL last year replaced them. But like the devices that originally rivaled the price of Apple's iPhone and Samsung's Galaxy line, it was always refreshing to know that you could buy a new original Pixel at a discount now that the devices have been in circulation for more than 2 years. So, if you're in the market for an older Android flagship that can still reasonably resist most other phones within its price range, the original Pixel costs around $399 new or $299 reconditioned. It would be wise to snatch one from Amazon before it's harder to find.